Today we're replacing the bearings on a 2008 Toyota Yaris two-door hatchback on the front passenger side. And I'm just going to go through the tools you need and the size. Okay, so you need a jack or whatever kind of jack you have, right? And you need a 13/16 if that's your lug size, it's my lug size, and you need a jack. What are you doing, man? All right. Basic things I think are be on level ground. Set your emergency brake if it works. If not, put a block behind your tires. Think about safety. Come here, you're in the sun. And today also we have with us Leonard, who is 7 months old and just figuring out his walker. It's going to take 10 minutes. My half-inch drive is turned into a long handle. To get the nut off, the big nut, the spindle nut, that you will need a 32 socket. Mine looks like this. Some it look like a star. The new one I bought that I didn't know, but it came with a star, and this does not fit that. It's the same size, but different. On this one, all of the tools that I've made, the sizes, sockets, and things, most of these is 19, 14, 15, 22. This car likes 10s, which is good. We'll get it down one half turn at a time, or a quarter turn at a time. better run out of steam. Just lift the car up. Okay. Okay. Once you have your car up, you can take off the top, which is 1316. This is the only one that I've found that's not. Come here, babe. Get out of this stuff. Come here, baby. You can go into this one. Okay, break real fast. This is Van. I say hi, Van. He likes to help with it. And by help, I mean anything, but help. But he's learning. Okay. Fun fact, this is actually our first video to like actually make one and talk to the camera. And I feel like a lot of things that you try to get information and it's like, I don't want to have to dig for all this information. I just think it should be like easy. So that's what I try to do. Because this Yaris has been a real good guy. It just wants to go. Okay. Now for this caliper and brake. The top one is, I want to say, the top one and the bottom, right? The one with the little cushioning spring is 14. And shout out to D-Wall, I don't know, but they have the best. This is my favorite ratchet. Lots of teeth. Lots of teeth. And they're kind of loose because I tried and failed at this yesterday. Because I didn't have a brake. Really, if you do this, the way to do it would be to also grease your little thing, the little rubber thing, you know, the rod comes out, the ring comes out, you put a little bit of that brake grease on it, it's perfect. And you maybe would spray it down with some brake cleaner since you have the wheel. But I don't have none of that stuff. So, like I said, we're using what we got. Hey. You. Can you? Hey, don't knock over the. Don't knock over the TV. And that takes that. And just that's why I set the tire there. All right. Now the other one is. Okay, and for the other piece of the brake, it is 17. Short socket is or like a ratchet wrench would probably be best. For this to a ratchet wrench. Watch it move or lose it. Shout out to Craftsman, which is all the tools I have are Craftsman toolbox. way though, Craftsman, I got this box of tools with 3 drawers in it. It's got the 1/4 inch, the 3/8, and the 1/2 inch. You gotta do something about your box, man. Your drawers, they don't pull out very good, and they get stuck. And the little lock thing, I get where you were going, but it just, and maybe give more, you know, little spots. I do like that you left room for other stuff. Are you sleepy? But overall, y'all have the best tools, you know what I'm saying, and the warranty, but the box, like, it's just not practical. It just doesn't work. Okay. Are you ready to go lay down? Did you want to put back on day? No, take the cat. And then your roller. I think sometimes it's more difficult to get up to this, but we're not. Okay. Okay, you ready for a minute? Alright, everybody, let me go put Van in his little bed. Come on. Oh, right now, y'all dirty. Uncross your legs, my boy. Oh, I got you. And a back. Okay, so the sizes basically that you need, I should have said this again. The size that you need to just get to this point is 14, 17, and 13, right, the 13/16. Or also what works is 22, I'm pretty sure. I can double check. Or not 22, 21. It works, but it's not the 13/16 fit better. Okay. And now you're at this point, and this. Okay. Sorry. Okay. And today we're replacing this, the bearing, and I just got this spindle too because I thought we would have to put it on the bearing on before, but somebody said we would put it on. But I'm kind of just doing the prep stage right now. And see, the new one comes with a nut that looks like this. But this, it doesn't work. So we might have to go back with the old one, but we'll see. But it's the same size, wrong shape. Okay. And now for this nut, okay, so this nut, also you have to find the little place that's been hammered in. It would take like a flat screwdriver or something. I already did it yesterday when I did round one. And this is what you need, or this is what I needed to get this nut off, because it was on, somebody ate their lunch before they put it on. got an idea how, I mean, it was not possible without without the bar, the levers, right? And it's kind of hard. And after this, I gotta go finish laying some fish. And this nut will work still because it's connected to the CV joint. Okay. And I've gotten it this far, and now I get to ask for and I don't know if he's gonna make the video, but I might try to make a video as we do it. We'll see what he wants to do. It's Ray, aka Daddy. Thanks everybody. I'm just gonna post this and not edit it, but I'll try to like maybe fast forward through the parts of nothingness or gibberish. But okay. Repetition is the way of the mind, right? So for this job also you might need a hammer just if it's something really tight. A pry bar for sure. You're gonna want some leverage. You're gonna want 13/16 for your lug nuts. You're gonna want 14 and 17 for your brakes. And you're gonna want this big 32. And if you're gonna go buy the sockets, you might as well buy the star one and this one because the new one comes with star. And it's 32. Also 21 works to take off your lug nuts if you do not have 22/7. Okay. Alright. Thank you.